Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechCall. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change Apple ID password. Friends, if you want to change Apple ID password, how you can change it? Friends, to change Apple ID password, it's an easy process. Just you have to follow the criteria. I'll unlock my phone right now. After unlock your phone, simply you have to go on settings of your iPhone. So go on settings of your iPhone. After that, you have to go on Apple ID at the top. Just you have to tap on your profile at the top, my friends. Then you'll find the interface like that, right? And here you'll find at the top personal information, signing and security. You have to click on signing and security, the second one. Then you'll find the interface like that. And here you'll find change password. You have to click on change password. Sometimes you'll find change password at the top. So click on change password. Now my friends, you have to enter your iPhone passcode because it is try to confirm that you are the only one, you are the owner and you are trying to change your Apple ID password, right? So I have to enter my Apple ID passcode again. And it is verifying, right? And they give me the options to change my Apple ID password. Here is new, here is verify, right? So first I have to enter the password and that password I have to re-enter here in this box. But to change the password, you have to follow some criteria. That is, your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number and uppercase letter and a lowercase letter, right? By following this criteria, you have to change your Apple ID password. After writing here your password and also here in these two boxes, you'll find here a blue color change. See, the change is now little bit disappear, right? It is little bit blurred. But when you will enter the password here and here, it will be on blue color change. On the time you have to click on here on change and your password will be changed automatically. Friends, right now I'll not change my Apple ID password, but I'm showing how to change the password. So friends, like this, if you want, you can change Apple ID password easily. Friends, to change Apple ID password, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in the comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.